Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use the auxiliary input in your Toyota Sienna. This simple guide will help you connect your portable audio devices to your car's sound system. First, you'll need to find the auxiliary jack, then connect your device with a standard audio cable, and finally, select the correct input on your stereo. It's a straightforward process that allows you to enjoy your personal music collection on the go. The auxiliary input jack's exact location can vary slightly depending on your Sienna's configuration. Many owners find it conveniently placed within the center console, perhaps below the climate controls or tucked away inside a storage compartment. Look for a small, round port, typically 3.5 millimeters in size, often marked with AUX or a headphone symbol. If you're having trouble, a quick glance at your owner's manual can pinpoint its precise spot. Connecting your audio device is quite simple. You will need a standard 3.5 millimeter audio cable, which is commonly used for headphones. Take one end of this cable and plug it securely into the headphone jack of your portable music player, smartphone, or other audio device. Then, firmly insert the other end of the cable into the auxiliary input jack located in your Sienna. Ensure both connections are snug to prevent any audio interruptions. Once your device is connected, it's time to activate the auxiliary audio. First, make sure both your Sienna's audio system and your portable device are powered on. Then, locate the AUX or media button on your car's stereo and press it until AUX appears on the display. You can then start playing music from your device. Remember to adjust the volume on both your portable player and the Sienna's stereo to achieve your desired listening level and sound clarity.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.